transform your home on a dime. Budget-friendly DIY decor projects you'll love. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing budget-friendly decor projects you'll love that will transform your home. Ready to give your home a stunning makeover without breaking the bank? We've got you covered. This guide is packed with creative, budget-friendly decor projects perfect for homeowners, renters, enthusiasts, and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their space. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of your home. Transforming old items into something new is not only budget-friendly but also incredibly rewarding. It's a chance to express your creativity and create unique pieces that reflect your personality. Let's explore some inspiring ideas. Thrift stores are goldmines for budget-conscious decorators. Give old furniture a fresh, modern look with a coat of paint in a trendy color. Consider adding new upholstery or stylish slipcovers to instantly transform tired pieces into eye-catching focal points. Look beyond the obvious. Unique items like vintage suitcases can be repurposed into stylish side tables, or old ladders can become charming bookshelves. The possibilities are endless. Architectural salvage pieces, like old doors and chippy window frames, can add a touch of rustic charm and character to your home. An old door can be repurposed as a unique kitchen island or a stylish headboard for your bed. Chippy window frames can be transformed into beautiful wall art or used to create a vintage-inspired gallery wall. These salvaged treasures add a story and a sense of history to your decor. Embrace the beauty of nature by incorporating natural elements into your decor. Gather sticks, driftwood, and stones from your yard or local parks to create unique and organic decorative pieces. Arrange driftwood in a vase for a coastal-inspired centerpiece, or use smooth stones to create a zen-like display on a shelf. These natural touches bring a sense of tranquility and connection to the outdoors. Who knew cutting boards could be art? Hang spare cutting boards on your kitchen walls for an affordable and unexpected art display. Choose boards in different shapes, sizes, and materials to create a visually interesting arrangement. You can even paint or decorate the cutting boards to match your kitchen's color scheme. This is a simple yet effective way to add personality and charm to your culinary space. DIY decor projects are a fantastic way to personalize your space and save money. With a little creativity and effort, you can create stunning pieces that reflect your unique style. Let's explore some inspiring DIY ideas. Give your existing home accents a makeover by adding trims, fabric bands, vintage buttons, or tassels. These small embellishments can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your space. Add a colorful trim to plain throw pillows, or attach vintage buttons to a lampshade for a touch of whimsy. These simple additions can transform ordinary items into personalized treasures. Create a stunning accent wall using a single roll of wallpaper. Choose a bold pattern or a vibrant color to instantly transform a room. An accent wall is a great way to add personality and visual interest without committing to wallpapering an entire room. Consider using removable wallpaper for a renter-friendly option. This allows you to easily change the look of your space without damaging the walls. Create a trendy tile table for under $100. This DIY project is surprisingly easy and allows you to customize the table to match your decor. Choose tiles in your favorite colors and patterns to create a unique and stylish piece. There are many online tutorials that provide step-by-step instructions for building a tile table. This is a fun and rewarding project that will add a touch of modern elegance to your home. If you lack natural light or plant care skills, realistic-looking faux plants are a great alternative. They add a touch of greenery and freshness to your space without the maintenance. Choose high-quality faux plants that look and feel realistic. Arrange them in stylish pots or planters to create a visually appealing display. Faux plants are a great way to brighten up any room. Create a stunning floral centerpiece using faux flowers or leaves hot glued to sticks and arranged in a vase. This DIY project allows you to create a custom centerpiece that perfectly matches your decor. Choose flowers and leaves in your favorite colors and textures. Arrange them in a vase to create a visually appealing and long-lasting centerpiece. This is a great way to add a touch of elegance to your dining table or coffee table. Smart shopping and styling are essential for creating a beautiful home on a budget. By being strategic and resourceful, you can find amazing deals and create a space that reflects your personal style. Let's explore some tips and tricks. Flea markets and garage sales are treasure troves for unique and affordable decor items. Browse for vintage pennants, antique mirrors, and other one-of-a-kind finds that will add character to your home. Be prepared to haggle and negotiate prices. With a little patience, you can find amazing deals on vintage treasures that will add a touch of history and personality to your space. Use expensive materials in small ways to create a luxurious feel without breaking the bank. For example, invest in a fancy wallpaper for one wall or splurge on a leather sofa and pair it with less expensive accent pieces. This strategy allows you to enjoy high-quality materials without overspending. By carefully balancing your spending, you can create a stylish and comfortable home that reflects your personal taste. Repurpose vintage or thrifted decor items in unique ways to create functional furnishings with vintage style. An old suitcase can be transformed into a stylish side table, or a vintage crate can become a charming bookshelf. This is a great way to add character and personality to your home while saving money. By repurposing old items, you can create unique and functional pieces that reflect your personal style. Gather natural grasses or dried stems from your backyard and place them in a vase for a simple and elegant display. This is a great way to bring the beauty of nature into your home without spending any money. Choose grasses and stems in different heights and textures to create a visually interesting arrangement. This simple touch can add a sense of tranquility and connection to the outdoors. Ready to transform your home into a stylish and inviting space without breaking the bank? Start by exploring your local thrift stores and flea markets for hidden treasures. Gather natural elements from your backyard and unleash your creativity with DIY decor projects. Don't forget to share your amazing transformations with us. Post photos of your budget-friendly decor projects on social media using #BudgetHomeMakeover and inspire others to create their dream homes. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and practical tips on home decor and DIY projects. Let's create beautiful homes together.